Finding cross-references. Total Materia's cross-reference tables provide direct access to more than 20 million connections between similar or equivalent materials. The default view is the full list of a material's cross-references, with their standards and a button to compare each one to the original material. The list can be narrowed down using Key2Metal's own classification system. Choose Identical or Official to get the most dependable similarity. Choose Composition, Other Sources, or Implicit to search further afield. Clicking on the Quick Compare button puts a chosen material side by side with the original, offering a fast way to assess the possibilities according to properties. As with material pages, Synthetic View gives you a broad look, and Details View looks deeper. Back in the list, a Standards menu gives you the ability to narrow the list using a specific SDO or a country. Total Materia also gives you the ability to design your own search for similar materials with Smart Cross. In this example, searching from all Chinese standards using 100% chemical composition results in 11 materials with greater than 0.80 similarity. Simply moving the sliders lets you customize your search parameters. For instance, by putting more emphasis on mechanical properties, you see different results. Smart Cross displays a measure of similarity in the search results, along with checkboxes to add materials to other lists. Simply move the slider again to achieve new results from Total Materia's vast database.